How to log into the Barclays Employee Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Barclays is a British multinational universal bank headquartered in London, England. If you are the employee of Barclays and you want to log into your employee portal, simply open up any web browser. Here you want to search for Barclays Employee Portal, then click on the option of Log in Barclays. On here, you first want to select your language. Click on the drop-down menu and then select your preferred language. Check the box that says Remember My Selection if you want this to be remembered. Then you want to enter your username. After that, enter the password. Then click on the login option. If all the details are correct, you will be able to access your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the option of Forgot Your Password. Now that is going to take you to another page. Over here, you want to enter your username, then click on the OK option. After that, you will be able to reset your password by following the on-screen prompts. If you are a new user and you are not registered, click on the New User option and follow the instructions to create an account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.